Hey guys, and welcome to Dainty Bite. Today's video is a little different. Please sit back and relax, and I'm gonna show you how to transform an average store-bought cake into a masterpiece. Let's get started, shall we? I'm gonna start by scraping off the decorations. I'm gonna try to scrape off the color as much as possible. This is just a fun project for you. I hope you like it. I'm gonna scrape off the white frosting. You can actually reuse or you can make your own frosting. For some reason, this is so relaxing, cleanup is so minimal. I'm gonna cut out two 6-inch circles. I'm gonna reuse the white frosting I removed from the cake. It's gonna be enough to fill the cake and to do a crumb coat on top of the cake. After I do the crumb coat, I'm gonna refrigerate for a couple of hours. And for the rest of the cake, I made my own buttercream frosting. And I have the recipe for you. I just posted on my YouTube. I'll leave the link in the description box below. It is super white, super creamy and delicious. Covering the cake with buttercream requires a little bit of patience. You have to go over the cake so many times, refrigerate in between to get the perfect cover. A great scraper and a straight hand and you'll get there. Now let's work on the decoration, and for this cake I'm making rice paper sails, which I have it in detail. I have a full tutorial on my YouTube. I'm using spring roll wraps, rice paper wraps. They look something like this. All you have to do is soak in water. You can cut them up or leave them whole, just the way you want. Add a touch of color. Here I added some gold leaf color as well. Remove when they're soft enough. Just leave it for a minute. Remove and set on a parchment paper. Give it the shape that you want. Let it dry overnight. You want to give it 24 hours at least. You want it to become very, very hard and dry. You can be as creative as you want with the colors. Just a drop of a gel food color on top of the water, mix and add the rice paper. I decorate the cake the way I want. Just add a touch of buttercream. They're so light, they'll stick easily. I'm just gonna finish off with some macaroons. Add a touch of gold on top of each one and finish off the cake. This looks incredible. I love the way it looks. And I think it looks much more elegant. Big difference. It's fit for an engagement party. Change the colors to blue or pink and it's a great baby shower cake. It looks expensive and gorgeous. I really hope you give this recipe a try. If not, I hope you enjoyed watching this recipe. Let me know what you think of this idea in the comments box below. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube yet, please do so and follow me on social media. The links are going to be in the description box below. And until next time, bon appétit!